Hey everyone, this is Simon with Food Travelers. In this mini episode, we are doing a room tour at the Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Casino Resort. As you enter the room, you're greeted with a typical hallway you see in most hotels. Just to the left is the bathroom. The room has a singular sink with your typical items such as bar soap, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion that are provided. Since there was only one sink, this ended up providing ample counter space to put any additional toiletries that you may have brought with you, also allowing each of us to store our things to one side. Just to the left of entering the bathroom is the bathtub. Unfortunately for our room, there was a rust stain due to the coating that was cracking near the tub's drain. Definitely not something you would like to see, especially when you think of the Vegas glamour. Right next to the tub was a stand-up shower. The water pressure for the shower was pretty decent. Across the shower was your normal toilet. Beneath the sink counter contained additional towels, toilet paper, and the hairdryer. As you exit the bathroom into the main areas of the room, there were the two queen beds separated by the end table. As you can see from the interior, it appeared like there was a mix of old and new in the design. The large art piece hung on the wall were a collage of French words, while the bed frames took the shape of designs with angles that is very familiar to many French designs. Each bed had their own lamp, with the end table sharing that lamp with enough sockets to charge your electronics. Located in the heart of Las Vegas Strip, a 4-star hotel, Paris Las Vegas, is ideally located across the street from the other famous hotels and probably most notably right across the famous Bellagio fountains. The room we booked was a Bordeaux Eiffel View Tower 2 Queens, which encompassed about 390 square feet or about 36 square meters. The room included free Wi-Fi and, of course, a view of the Strip and the Eiffel Tower. Across from the far bed near the window is a desk and chair that was large enough to get any work completed comfortably if you're unlucky enough to be in Vegas and have to work. Next to the desk was the main cabinet that held most of everything you'd find in a traditional hotel room closet. There was plenty of hanger space for clothes for a short visit, as well as drawers. In the center of the cabinet was a decent-sized TV, with the other side containing the safe and refrigerator. As mentioned earlier, this was the Eiffel Tower strip view room, so we thought the views were pretty nice both at night and during the day, especially if you enjoy seeing activity from your room down over into the strip. Of course, at night, with all the buildings lit up, the atmosphere looked really incredible. It was quite beautiful. And during the day, it's also quite nice as you can also see the fountains of the Bellagio from your room.
And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the YouTube algorithm. And for more photos, follow us on Instagram. See you guys on the next episode.